They say expect the best but prepare for the worst. And if you decide to prepare for the worst, you'll need a way to filter water, light fires easily, and let you know what direction you're headed in. Lucky for you, we at TechJoint have rounded up some of the greatest survival gadgets out there. Here are 10 ultimate survival tools you must own. Number 10. Survival Shovel. When the apocalypse hits, you'll probably need to abandon your home and go someplace safer. And when you're out on the town, you can't have a large piece of equipment weighing you down. Luckily for you, that 23-in-1 survival shovel has you covered. It comes with its own carrying bag, and it can be used in a variety of different ways. It's a shovel and an axe. You can even use it as a hoe, a pickaxe, a saw or a crowbar, compass, wine opener, and even as a fire stick. It has multiple parts that help you adjust the length of the handle as you want, and you can adjust the shovel angles too. It's definitely something you'd want at hand, even if just for a camping trip. Number 9. JACKFISH Survival Credit Card Holder. We've all seen movies where the main character goes out on a trip and ends up getting stranded in the middle of nowhere, and we can't rule out the possibility of that happening to us. The JACKFISH card holder is a great addition to your luggage. And hey, it's even useful when you're not stranded or fighting off zombies after the apocalypse happens. The JACKFISH can hold up to 4 of your credit cards and comes with great tools like a whistle to signal for help, iodine for wounds and water purification, a fire stick, a screwdriver, a knife, and a small compass. It even has a slit to hold an SD card with your most important documents on it. But if you think this is handy, wait till you find out about the ultimate survival kit we're going to tell you about at the end. Number 8. PUREFLAME Mini. So you might have a knife and a compass, but you'll need something to cook your food on too. If you're going out on a camping trip, you can save some space in your backpack for the PUREFLAME Mini Cooker. And when we say mini, we mean it's roughly the size of an apple. The most useful thing about this stove is that it can create electricity too. Precious electricity that you can use to power your phone or light with. The PUREFLAME Mini is water resistant, and the exterior doesn't get hot as you cook. You might be thinking that you'll need some kind of fuel for it, but that's not the case. All it needs is twigs and some leaves to burn, and you're good to go. You can get this handy piece of equipment for just $80, and it's definitely worth it. Number 7. VSSL Survival Kit. Maybe you'd like to consider buying a full survival kit instead of getting a knife here and a mini stove there. In that case, maybe consider buying the VSSL Survival Kit. It comes with over 72 camping essentials that'll help you survive in the forest. And it's all in a lightweight and compact design. The VSSL is roughly the size of a flashlight. So small that it's nearly unbelievable that it could pack this much. It has a mini first aid kit, a can opener, some fishing rope, water purifying tablets, a signaling mirror, a whistle, a water bag, fire stick, and much more. Each of these items is packed into a compact cylindrical container and then stacked one on top of the other in the VSSL kit, so there's no chance of you mixing all this up. You can buy it now for just $100. Number 6. LIGHTWATER. Your water filtration tablets and iodine aren't going to last you very long, but the LIGHTWATER will. It's a water filtration tool that's compact and easy to carry, much like everything else on the list, and is the ultimate filtration tool. It works like a normal tap in a way. You just put one end of the pipe in water and the other in your bottle, and it takes as little as 1 minute to fill up one little bottle. Charge the little kit one time and you can use it to filter over 600 liters of water. Not to mention that it kills almost 100% of all the bacteria and microbes in it. It costs between $50 to $120, depending on which one you get. But it can't hurt to have it in your survival kit, now can it? Number 5. MS5. This is another portable survival kit, but it comes with features like a knife, an LED flashlight, sewing needles and safety pins, and even fish hooks. Each kit costs from $45 to $65 and can even contain a folding grill if you want. The GPS tracker is a cool feature that can save a life. If you're in trouble, you can press a button that ends up sending a distress signal to whatever device you connected it with. The kit is small enough to fit in your pockets and easy to pick up and take with you. Number 4. ESTREAM Portable Power Generator. When you're stuck in the forest or a remote location, you'll need electricity to charge your phone and a flashlight for when night comes. The ESTREAM Portable Power Generator is a great tool to have for that. Just drop it down a stream of moving water, anchor it properly, and it'll start making electricity for you. You can either use it to charge your phone on the spot, or save the energy in a battery for use later. The possibilities are limitless, and it'll never not be useful. Water is the most efficient source of power on Earth, and this tool makes power there to 20 times faster than any other power-saving tool on the market. Even if the stream slows down, the power will be stable and safe to charge your phones with. The device only takes 4.5 hours to fully charge for on-the-go power. Number 3. Survival Fireplaces. With these laces, as long as you have your boots on, you have a way to start fire. These laces come with a steel striker plate and 1-inch ferro rods on each end. Striking them together makes sparks as hot as 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit that can light a fire in almost any climate. These shoelaces aren't much different from your regular shoelaces, and if they're helping you light a fire, then it's just an added plus. They're not even expensive. A single pair of fire laces cost only $10, but it's still not as useful as the last entry on our list. So hang tight. Number 2. Catch Survival Belt. Manufacturers claim that the Catch Survival Belt is the world's most functional survival belt, and it just might be. The belt kits come in 3 different kinds: the Minimalist Kit, the Essentials Kit, and the Adventure Kits. All of these contain basic items like a nylon webbing and bottle opener, and the Essentials and Adventure Kits contain items like fishing hooks, safety pins, zip ties, purification tablets, and even duct tape. And if you're going to buy the Adventure Kit, then you'll get even more useful items like aluminum foil, a flashlight, and a signal compass, bandages, and a ceramic knife. The best thing is that the belt can fit all these things inside it and still look sleek and stylish to wear. It goes with everything and doesn't look bulky or impractical. Number 1. Companion Backpack. You probably have all sorts of odds and ends stored in your car's trunk, like flashlights and rope, all in case something happens and you need them. Consider dropping all those knickknacks and replacing them with a companion backpack by Rhino Ready, a survival gear company from Los Angeles. It's a single backpack loaded with survival gear that's enough to help 2 people make it through 72 hours in the wild, long enough for help to arrive. The bags took the combined efforts of first-person responders in search and rescue missions, survivalists, and designers to make. It contains essentials like a tent, raincoat, blankets, warm gloves, face masks, UV goggles, a fire starter, and a knife, a water bottle, and water filtration tablets, food packs that last you 3 days, a first aid kit, and much more. If you have this bag with you in case of an earthquake or a natural disaster, or even in case you get lost in the woods, you won't need much else. It comes at the price of a little over $500, but we can all agree that it seems worth it. Even the bag itself is waterproof and fire resistant. Not to mention there's a power bank and radio included in the kit too. And that's a wrap for the 10 ultimate survival tools you should own. Which of these will you take with you on your next camping trip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to TechJoint for more mind-blowing gadgets and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.